So this is the representation of irrational number on number line. So now I am showing you how to represent root 3 on number line. So first draw a straight line. This is our number line, and put a point O at center of the line or anywhere, and next take 1 centimeter on the number line. Take 1 centimeter on the number line. Plot this one as A. Okay. Now take the protractor and put it to point O. See, this is the point of intersection of this line and 90 degrees perpendicular line. So you should put that point at A. Okay, and the line in protractor and the below line should be coincide. And now I am putting 90 degrees. So here is 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees. And now join these two. And take a unit distance, 1 centimeter distance. With the help of compass, draw an arc of radius 1 centimeter. So I am drawing here an arc of 1 centimeters, and this point of intersection is taken as B. Join OB. Okay. And now this is OA is 1 centimeter, OB is 1 centimeter, AB is 1 centimeter, and OB is root 2 units. Now if you want to plot or represent root 2 on number line, take this OB as radius and draw an arc on number line. That is representation of root 2 on number line. But here we have to represent root 3. So now I am again plotting 90 degrees. So 90 degrees at B. 90 degrees at B. So this is our 90 degrees line. And join these two. We get a perpendicular at B. This is our perpendicular. Okay. This is a perpendicular, and now here it is perpendicular. Now draw an arc with radius 1 centimeter. Take the 1 centimeter radius and draw an arc with the center B. Okay, and this point of intersection is taken as C. Now join OC. Okay, and OBC is a right angle triangle. So OB is root 2 units and BC is 1 unit. So OC is equal to root 3. Okay, now represent on number line. That means you have to draw an arc with radius OC. On number line. Okay, so the distance between this point and O. So this is our root 3 representation. Okay, and by Pythagoras theorem you have to write this one. By Pythagoras theorem So what is our Pythagoras theorem here? In triangle OBC, h square is equal to s square plus s square. Okay, s square plus s square. H square means here OC square. So OC square is equal to OB square plus BC square. OB square means root 2 whole square plus BC square means 1 square. Square root cancel. So 2 plus 1. OC square is equal to 2 plus 1 3. So OC is equal to root 3. So this is our proof. This is proof. Okay. So in this way you can represent any rational number, any irrational number on the number line. This is called as spiral square method. And again take unit distance, you can represent root 4. Again take unit distance, you can represent 5 root 5 on the number line. So thank you.